Today, I'll show you how to get cryptocurrency prices and turn them into a consumable stream of data using Scramjet Transform Hub. You can use this method for any type of data coming from an API, like stock prices, production outputs, and so on and so on. First, we'll need to go to the Scramjet Transform Hub documentation tab on our website, scramjet.org, and click Quick Start, which will take us to the correct GitHub repo, which we'll need to clone. After cloning, we need to enter the crypto prices sample. Then install local dependencies and some global dependencies, which are Scramjet Transform Hub and our CLI. Once we have that done, we can run Transform Hub and take a peek in our sample and see how it works. Let's open it up. Here we export one simple function. We call it up. That takes 3 parameters. First, is dummy input stream, which we'll not be using today since we're not taking any input. We also have currency and base currency. In this case, default values are BTC and USD, which would result in Bitcoin prices in US dollars. Inside the function, we define a variable called output stream, which is a pass-through. So basically it will become a stream of whatever we will write to it. We return it at the end of the function to make it the actual output of our sequence. The main part of the function contains an interval which will result in a check of price every 3 seconds. This calls our getData function, which will handle all of the heavy lifting. It will get the price data for us, and then we only have to write the results to the output stream. GetData function is only performing an HTTP request to the Coinbase API. And this is all the code we need today. Let's go ahead and run it. First, we'll need to build our source code. Build script will execute the TypeScript compiler and then copy node modules and package JSON to that dist directory. Now we can create a standalone package and send our sequence to the Transform Hub. To start the sequence, we need to pass our sequence ID and parameters. We can decide here to check whichever combination of crypto and base currencies we are interested in. Let's say Ethereum expressed in euros. Finally, let's display our output stream. And here it is. Let me just quickly verify the price with Coinbase website, and looks good to me. You can take this stream and display it in your app or apply some business logic. Transform Hub really makes it easy. Thanks for watching.